On a silent island where even the wind holds its breath, a massive shadow slides across the ground. Not a snake, not a crocodile, but the world's quietest and deadliest predator. Today, I reveal the hidden and terrifying tactics of the Komodo dragon. The Komodo dragon is far stronger than it appears. Its 3-meter body moves with muscles powerful enough to shake the soil. Its tail can knock down an animal with a single swing. In the wild, this massive body represents absolute dominance. The Komodo's deadliest weapon isn't speed, it's silence. Even from a few meters away, it is almost impossible to detect. It can remain frozen for hours, blending with wind and shadows. By the time its prey realizes what's happening, it's already too late. Its bite is a biological trap far more advanced than it looks. The bacteria myth is outdated. The truth is venom that paralyzes muscles. The prey's blood pressure drops, its heart weakens, and any chance of escape disappears within moments. Don't be fooled by its heavy look. A Komodo can explode into short bursts of speed. Its seemingly slow legs are powered by strong tendons. A few seconds of sprinting is all it takes to end the life of its prey. The Komodo dragon is one of the rare animals that reads the air with its tongue. Scents collected by its forked tongue form a map in its brain. It can track a single drop of blood from kilometers away. Power on these islands is simple: Komodo at the top, everything else below. Deer, wild boar, monkeys, even other Komodos can become prey. It is their brutal way of survival. Once the prey is captured, there is no rush. A Komodo can swallow even large chunks in one motion. Its digestion is so powerful that only a few bones remain afterward. Young Komodos begin the fight for survival the moment they hatch. To avoid adults, they climb trees and stay high. Staying on the ground often means facing death. The Komodo dragon is a nightmare hidden inside nature's silence. It doesn't roar, it doesn't rush, yet it always wins. On this island, power is measured not by sound, but by shadow.